Yeah. How was that party last night? Crazy. Yeah? Yeah. What do you think, man? Yeah. I thought about that too, but I guess it's oh my god! Are you okay?
Dude, that party was insane!
Oh no, man! Oh, that was so random though. What the hell is going on here?
What do you mean?
Doesn't that come with night vision goggles, man?
No, bro. You get the friggin' gas mask now.
Oh yeah? Nothing.
He's raging just a second. You alright?
You alright, man? Should I call 911? Oh, I think he just died. Oh.
I win!
You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. And nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
Yeah. Oh, I know, man. I should have drank that much. Man. Are you sure you're okay? Dude, we're gonna call for an ambulance.
KFM 1 at 103.7 FM. Out west, you can now hear us broadcasting from St. Edmunds. East Coast, KFM 2 at 91.1 FM. If you're experiencing any difficulties hearing us, we'd love to hear your feedback.
Hey, big fella.
What do you see as a problem, officer?
I'm gonna have to give you a ticket on this one.
For what?
Driving without my number.
For what?
Don't do it again.
What the hell? He's gone.
You dropped my number, bitch.
Oh yeah, man. I hope that's done, man. Because if he pukes again, I'm gonna call fucking 911. Seriously? Yeah, exactly. Okay. Oh, he should be like, oh my god! Holy crap! Again!
Holy shit!
Jesus!
So, I'm thinking this is really cold out here and we should go inside.
Yeah. All right, man. Oh crap, man. You shot my man. Holy crap!
Matt McNeil is the Nerf Man. How dare you use the Gorgonite in such fashion!
Close the window. I was doing it right now. What?
I can't stop thinking about you, Nick.